Exercise equals fun. Getting America's children to exercise has never been more difficult as the new boob tube generation slouches in front of TVs, or sits for hours, mesmerized behind shootout video and computer games. However, it is possible to foster a regular exercise pattern for children from an early age, with simple activities that are more fun than exercise. America's pastimes. Back in the day, kids played hopscotch and tag and didn't know that it qualified as exercise. Reviving America's pastimes could be an easy way to promote physical fitness. Hopscotch improves balance and coordination, while the constant stop-go running in a healthy game of tag elevates the heart rate to more efficiently burn calories. Jumping rope is another American favorite that has fallen by the wayside. The regular interval in jumping rope pumps the heart steadily, and is an efficient form of aerobic exercise. Biking. Biking is another excellent way to get a child to exercise. From first learning on a tricycle to the celebrated arrival of the two-wheeler, biking is something that can be viewed as an achievement, as well as an easy way to increase a child's physical activity. Biking helps children develop coordination, balance, work the back muscle groups that aid good posture, and build up leg muscles. Moreover, biking gives children an easy way to travel to their friends' houses and assert independence, an added incentive that will get those legs and lungs pumping. As 9-year-old Michelle Ewan says, "I love riding my bike. It's so much fun. I ask my mom, and then I can bike down to my friend's house." Bikes aren't the only wheels that kids can use to rev up their heart rate. Rollerblading is an activity that can be done indoors and out, and an activity the whole family can join in. Whether in an indoor skating rink or just playing by the sidewalk, rollerblading is an activity that is fun for the children and healthy as well. A walk with Fido. Another exercise that can be performed daily by a child is none other than the traditional walk with the dog. Jogging, or even walking at a brisk pace, with the dog, floods the body with endorphins and a slew of other health benefits related to exercise. Bring along a stick to throw to Fido, and the workout has becomes even more intense. What's more, walking the dog every day is a surefire way to maintain regular exercise, which is much more advantageous, in the long run, than intermittent exercising. Yoga for kids. Yoga has taken America by storm in recent years. From celebrity yogis like Madonna to stay-at-home moms, yoga has proven to be a way to tone and center the mind and body. Yoga is beginning to creep into the school gym programs, too. Just as many high schools throughout the nation have begun offering yoga as a gym option, many Yoga for Kids programs have sprung up as well. Yoga aims to tone the muscle groups, aid coordination, and improve flexibility through stretching. In addition, it has been said that a key principle in yoga, correct breathing, seems to alleviate stress in children. Exercise that isn't exercise. Taking the non-traditionalist approach to exercising is just as easy. Children can help mom carry the groceries or walk with her to the drugstore. Whatever the case, mixing up a regular exercise pattern for kids helps them create a healthy lifestyle. And don't forget, if you want high-energy, fun exercise routines to keep kids healthy, try exercise videos. Professional trainers will challenge your child with safe exercises to increase balance, coordination, and shed pounds. What's more, fitness is a family event. So, for children who want to work out like mom or dad, try mini treadmills, bikes, or weightlifting equipment. These kid-sized fitness tools are made for your child's growing needs and are priced affordably for any budget. So, keep your child fit by having fun.